Hey guys, and welcome to Math Channel. We have 4 plus 4 divided by 4. Now, 4 plus 4 gives us 8. 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this expression in this way. First parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. According to this rule, this division has higher priority than this addition. So we have to solve it first. Now 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. And now we have 4 plus 1, that this expression is equals to 5. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.